Now I could totally pack this intro full of puns, but come on, it's 2021. That's not the spirit. Let's just jump straight into it. Ah, damn it. Alrighty, so the first step is to fold the entire paper in half. The project will remain folded throughout the build, so on that note, I'm using AGSM, but if you've got some 160 GSM cardstock, you can use that and cut it in half from a square. Next we're going to divide into two crosses like how I'm showing here. Open each up afterwards, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip the project over and we're going to divide the top and bottom edges into the middle like this. We're setting up for two triangle folds. And the other side. Do the flip-flop again. Unfold the two sides and press the centers in. It should all fold in on itself into a triangle like this, like smooth butter. And the other side. Next, let's fold the legs. Fold this point into this point here. So we're currently looking at the bottom of the frog. We'll do the legs first and move on to the top afterwards. Now if you feel like you're getting value out of this video, swipe up and smash the like button. While you're at it, hit the subscribe if you want to see this channel grow. If you've managed to follow all the way to the end of the video, comment down below, made it. It all helps the channel out. And the last one. Now fold this edge into this edge here. Same goes with the other four, like bam 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 bam. Now let's smash at the top of this bad boy. Do the flip flop, and then fold this edge into the center of the frog. Just like so. And the other side. Now see the triangle at the back? You're going to fold it up. Open up the sides, gently fold it up, and then close the sides back down. Then flip flop your frog back over. You're going to fold the bad boy in half down this line here. Just take your time with this part, there's a lot of paper stacked underneath. Up like this. You're then going to fold this edge here into this edge here. Again, take your time. This is a spring for the frog, so you're looking to make as much tension in this fold as possible. And press it down really hard with your thumbs. And there you go, a simple jumping frog. Now quick bonus, this is how I made my spotted frog, which you'll see in the thumbnail. Start off with a yellow or other brightly coloured frog, and then grab a wide marker. I started by outlining the frog in areas I wanted with spots, and filling in the areas I wanted black. I rounded each corner until I was happy with the shape. To do smaller circles, I found it easy to start with a fine tip and use a combination of marker and fine tip to cover the rest. Did my best to make the spots organic and random, I reckon it came out pretty good. Hope it works for you too. Now let's leap into a montage.